If you struggle with migraines or other ongoing headache types, your nutrition might be making things worse without you even realizing it. One important thing we see in people who suffer from ongoing headaches when it comes to nutrition is that they're not eating enough protein. Protein isn't just about muscles, it plays a key role in your hormonal balance and your brain chemistry. When people think about hormones and migraines, they often focus only on estrogen. Many hormones and neurotransmitters are literally built from protein. Protein also helps stabilize blood sugar, and blood sugar crashes are a very common migraine trigger. So today, we want to show you a simple lunch that supports stable energy, your hormones, and your brain chemistry. Protein is essential for neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. These chemicals are involved in pain regulation, mood, and nervous system balance. If your body doesn't get enough protein, it can struggle to produce them efficiently. For people with migraines or hormonal sensitivity, this can make symptoms worse. That's why starting your meal with enough high-quality protein can make a real difference. Let me show you a simple lunch we recommend you to try this week. Today we're starting with eggs. Eggs contain nutrients your body and brain truly need, and they are an easy way to get enough protein in one meal. For this lunch, you will need 4 eggs, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, about 40 grams of arugula, and a pinch of turmeric, sea salt, and pepper. Saute the onions and garlic in butter or coconut oil and add some eggs, and then add turmeric, sea salt, and pepper to taste. Serve with fresh arugula. It's simple, nourishing, and very supportive for your hormones, brain, and nervous system. An important question many people never ask themselves is, how much protein do I actually need per day? Protein needs vary from person to person, but many people with migraines or hormonal sensitivity benefit from more than the minimum recommendation. Often that's around 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Let's say someone weighs around 70 kilos and exercises regularly. If we aim for 1.5 grams per kilogram, that person needs about 105 grams of protein per day. If you divide that over 3 meals, you're looking at roughly 35 grams of protein per meal. To take that practical, 1 egg contains about 6 to 10 grams of protein. So, if you eat around 4 eggs, you're close to that 35 grams of protein for 1 meal. For comparison, 100 grams of chicken or red meat contains roughly 25 grams of protein. This helps you see how to build a meal that actually supports your body and your hormonal system. Another important piece many people don't know is that the order in which you eat your meal matters. Starting your meal with protein helps stabilize blood sugar. Then you can add your fruit or some more vegetables, and next adding fats. They slow digestion even further, and eat your carbohydrate as last. This leads to fewer peaks and fewer crashes. This is especially relevant for people who are sensitive to blood sugar changes, such as those with hormonal migraines. If you struggle with migraines or hormonal headaches, start by looking at your nutrition. You can start with your lunch after watching this video. Subscribe for more science-based headache relief tips, and let us know in the comments, are you going to pay more attention to protein and meal order from now on?
See you next time!